Welcome to Shimizu, Japan, a quiet port city with some of the most beautiful natural scenery in the region. Our day started with a trip out to the waterfalls fed directly from the snowmelt of Mount Fuji. The water was crystal clear, rushing over the rocks with this peaceful, refreshing sound. Standing there, you could really feel how powerful and pure the Mount Fuji waters are. It was one of the places where you could just stop and take it all in. After that, we visited a Mount Fuji museum where we learned more about Japan's most iconic mountain. From the history and the culture to the displays showing how the mountain was formed. It was a fun and interesting way to understand just how important Mount Fuji is to the region. Between the waterfalls and the museum, Shimizu gave us the perfect mix of nature, culture, and calm exploring. It's a beautiful stop that shows a deeper side of Japan beyond the busy cities.